Hello dear fans. How to enter a university in the USA. Every year more and more Russians are sent to receive higher education in US universities. However, entering a university overseas is a long and rather troublesome process. Preparation will take from 1.5 to 2 years. Necessary: application form, transcript, certified list of grades for the last 3 years, a copy of Russian educational documents, certificate or diploma, 2 to 3 letters of recommendation, essay, the results of the TOEFL and SAT exam, for those receiving a bachelor's degree, TOEFL and GRE, for those receiving a master's or doctoral degree, confirmation of financial solvency, bank statement, fee for the consideration of documents. Instructions. Step 1. Education in the United States is significantly different from Russian. There are no significant differences between university and college, since these educational institutions provide the same higher education. An exception is community college, but college graduates of this type can transfer to universities. Step 2. On average, a year of study at an American university costs $20,000 or more. This includes tuition, student residence, meals, and textbooks. Some universities provide sponsorship to students, including foreign ones. In addition, every year the American government gives foreign students grants for education in various programs. Keep in mind that the university administration may ask you to prove your financial viability with an account statement. Step 3. First of all, decide in which specific institution you would like to study and what specialty you would like to receive. Be prepared for the fact that upon admission you will be asked to write an essay about yourself and justify your choice of an educational institution and a specific specialty. Step 4. Choose several universities or colleges at once, to which you then send applicant questionnaires and test results. You will find questionnaire forms and test samples on the official websites of the selected educational institutions. There you can also find a form of payment of a fee for paperwork. Step 5. The transcript is drawn up in the form of a table. In addition to grades, provide information on coursework, practice, and tests. You need to certify the transcript in 2 versions, in English and in Russian, at the dean's office of your educational institution. A recommendation letter should be no more than 1 page in length. Each must contain the contact details of the person who wrote it and must be sealed in an envelope. In an essay, you must answer 3 questions: what do you want, why, and how you are going to achieve it. Avoid general phrases, give specific examples. Step 6. Having prepared your package of documents, start preparing for the TOEFL language proficiency tests. They are held in specialized testing centers. Be careful, contact only certified centers, beware of fraud. Keep in mind that you need a fairly high score, so you should start preparing for testing a few years before the test. Use every opportunity to improve your English. Step 7. Now send the package of documents to several American educational institutions at once. Consider the time it takes to send documents, from 2 weeks to 1 month. Step 8. The host institution will send you an I-20 form, which serves as the basis for obtaining a visa. Make an appointment at the embassy, and in the meantime, contact the university curator who accommodates international students. It can take up to 3 months to obtain a visa. Thanks for watching.